Alright, so this is hopefully going to be a quick video just showing how to replace the battery on this Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon. This is a 5th generation, okay? So actually it says 5th generation Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon. Alright, we're going to be using a JIS1 screwdriver to remove the screws from the bottom. We'll see if I can go over some of the stuff inside, but my customer's waiting outside, so hopefully this won't take too long. Ended up I had to do stuff beforehand, so it's taking longer than expected. Hopefully he won't be have to go somewhere. Anyways, we'll get all these screws out. They actually stay in place. If this video helps you out, make sure to like, subscribe, share my channel with others so that they can learn how to upgrade and repair their devices as well. Oops. And if it helps you save a bunch of money, please consider contributing a little to the channel. Every little bit helps and allows me to continue making these videos for a living. Alright, there's a little hole here which is most likely a battery reset button. Anyways, we're going to get underneath. I just use my fingernails and then we can kind of lift this up. Make sure that the screw's unclipped. It sometimes helps to kind of bend the casing this way a little, but make sure the screw's unclipped, okay, or came out completely, because sometimes they kind of get stuck. Right, the fan's a little dirty but not too bad, so we can probably just brush it a little and then just blow the dust out. I like to hold the fan blades in place as I do this to kind of help with some friction to make it easier to clean. Okay, and then we'll just blow that dust away. Yeah, I got dust all in my work area. Okay, there's not really much in here, but anyways, the main thing we're doing is replacing the battery. So we got one screw here. Actually, let me get a thumbnail here real quick because I didn't do that. Okay, I don't know why my camera thing is lagging so much, but there we go. Okay, should be good enough. Let's get all these screws out. Okay, these ones, they actually come out, so make sure to keep them aside. There's one up here. Okay, so we got those two, then we got one on either side, and I think that's all the screws. At the bottom it has little feet that stick out to hold it in place, so make sure keep that in mind. Okay, alright, and then this style looks like how they do on a lot of HPs. You grab here and then you pull up. You can push down on here too to help, so we'll pull like that, and here we go. It swings out and it slides out like this. Okay, yeah, I don't know why my camera thingy just lost connection, but I'm gonna have to look up here. Battery model, is there one? Oh, here's the model information. It's very long, so you can just pause and then take that down if you need it. Okay, if not, usually you just search the model of the laptop, ThinkPad X1 Carbon, whatever. Okay, oops, I forgot to get the battery. Hold on, I'll be back. I'm gonna go grab the replacement battery and I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, we're back. We got the battery. So the customer kind of wanted it quick. We were able to get one day. Oh shoot, is this battery different? Oh no, that's not good. The battery is different. I might now have to offer to pick it up, or to pick it up and work on it at their location, because the battery's wrong. Anyways, you saw how to put the battery back. Very simple. Slide the feet in, push that down. But yeah, because it's the wrong battery, I'm gonna have to let them know. And then yeah, anyways, you can see what's inside. CPU soldered to the motherboard. There's an M.2 PCIe NVMe SSD here. Wireless card if you need the model information, you can see close up. LCD LVDS connector. If you mess with this or these cables, make sure after disconnecting the battery, open up the laptop, press and hold the power button for at least 15 seconds to drain any residual power. This is the button that you could see that hole through the bottom case for the battery reset. There's another slot here. I'm not too sure what that's for. It connects right here. Usually it's like a wide area network or whatever, like a SIM card type internet connection, but you might be able to put an SSD there as well, possibly. I don't know, don't quote me on that. Actually maybe not, because the slot is facing the wrong, or the notch is the wrong way. Okay, anyways, you got this connector here for, looks like keyboard backlight probably. You got this for the fingerprint sensor and probably part of the trackpad, and then you got this connector going underneath. I'm not sure where to. It could be for the headphone jack board. Then you got a connector here for the speaker, and then it runs along to the other speaker. CMOS, BIOS, RTC, real-time clock battery there, and not much else. There's this little connector here for this USB port, it looks like, and then this connector, which is likely for the cameras, microphones, and possibly if there's touchscreen, and then there's also that little connector, possibly also for that stuff. Not really much else to show in here, so I'm gonna put this back together, and yeah, sorry, I guess I'm gonna have to find the right battery, but basically same idea. This is the old battery. We just push that back in and then get these screws back. All right, very simple, straightforward. Okay, and I can't see what I'm recording now, so hopefully I'm getting stuff in view. I have to kind of stand up to see the thing, and hopefully we can see all the screw spots. And then we'll just get the bottom cover back on, but I can see it's slightly inflated, but it doesn't look that bad, so I don't know. The customer was saying their battery's dead. I don't know why. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead and get the bottom cover back on. Very simple, straightforward. Start with the bottom here, okay, because you have to go at an angle to get it like lined up down there. Then you lower this down, make sure the clips stay in. This foot kind of came back out. There we go. And then we'll just tighten these screws. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Yeah, and hopefully this video helped you guys out. If it did, like, subscribe, share my channel with others so that they can learn how to upgrade and repair their devices as well. And if it helped you save a bunch of money, again, please consider contributing a little to the channel. Every little bit helps and allows me to continue making these videos for a living. All right, this hole, if your computer isn't turning on for some reason, sometimes pressing that might help. Give it a try. You just use like a needle or a folded out paper clip. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Let's drop this. Bye.